people, so today is an all new makeover. Like as you can see, I am I'm wearing a little black dress because it's basically I've been watching a lot of these particular there's this show called Keeping Up with the Kardashians that is on Netflix. So the fact that I'm dressed like this, but it's just a very nice, modest, cute little black dress and very comfortable that I got from I think this is from Vera Moda. I got it long back on Amazon. This brand. So Keeping Up with the Kardashians season 3 and season 4 has been released on Netflix, and really, when you watch that reality TV, you get to see the human side to celebrities. Which is because what happens is when there's a lot of media bashing, people do it pretending like as if the person involved doesn't have any feelings, like how it's happening with Riya Chakravarti right now, poor thing. So so it's like when you watch Keeping Up with the Kardashians, you realize that it is such an it's an eye opening experience, and then it'll affect the way you dress and look and all also. So it's already a 1 minute long video, but truly people, I'll catch you all in my next video. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.